Coder, and today we'll be till now we have seen like how Jupyter notebooks are installed and how can we write a basic syntax, a basic Python syntax code. Now we'll go much deeper into what is Python and how it is written, what is the syntax of Python, and all of that stuff. So first of all, starting with what we have seen over here is a equals to 10. We initialize a variable as an integer. So here we don't write any int or anything. We just initialize it like okay. So I am running it again. So it is giving me this input as 1 over here. And what we can do is we need not initialize it like int a equals to 10. We can do that, but there is no need of doing that in Python. What we can do is we can just generally write it a equals to 10, and then you can see the output a as 10 value. Also you can initialize it b equals to 10.3, a float value, and then print b, so it can also take values of integer as well as floating types. And also if you want to do it in same cell, then also you can do it like this: b equals to 12.3. Then we need to do this print a and print b. Yep, 10 and 12.3. That's all. Yeah. And again, if we want to do something like this, print 12, it will do this also, right? So you can directly print a value, or you can put the value into a variable and then print it. Also, if you need not wish to do something like this, and you need to print, suppose you need to print a pattern. So what you need to do is you can do print a end. So end is you can pass end and then a space, right? So now see what it will do. Yeah, so what it is doing is it will put the variables, put the values in same line only with a difference of a space, right? You can also print b over here. It will give you a more understanding and more feeling, right? So you can do something like this. Then what happens is also, if we copy this, and then I think I'll be pasting it over here. And what you want to do is if I'll print 12, just see. So what it has done is that here we have printed a, the value of a, then a space, and then 12.3. And so print by default has this enter in its enter as its default parameter, right? So end equals to enter as default. If you want to specify something else, you can use end equals to and then specify what value or what like space or any asterisk if you want to give. So you can do that stuff. You can do customization also, right? Yeah. And then what we'll be gonna doing is we'll be specifying something like this: a equals to 10, right? And then see over here, so we have a equals to 10, right? If we do something like a plus 10, then we get a as 20, right? We can do that stuff also. We can use different type of operators. And what we can do is a, and again, if we see a over here, then a is 10 only because we haven't overwritten a. So if we want to overwrite a, what we need to do is we need to do this, right? So you can, if you do this, then it won't print the thing, and it won't print the value in the variable a. If you do this, then it will print the value. So here we have initialized a as 10, then we have overwritten the value, and then we have done this. So but here the a, here a and this a, so there's a difference between both the a's. You can see like if I run this, then the value of a will be 10 only. It won't be overwritten over here, right? So here it is 10 only, but in this case it is 20, right? And if I print something like yeah, something like print, okay, there's a typo, print a, and then we'll do print b. So you can see that 12.3 isn't affected, right? it is not getting overwritten, so there is no need of initializing it again, right? Yeah. And we can see different kind of operators also. So we can see different kind of operators here. We can have a plus 10, or I don't think I should overwrite it. I think I should keep it like this only. Yeah, a, then it is minus 10. We can do something like this, a minus 10. And then if I initialize it, if I do something like this, a minus 10, or yeah, a equals to a plus 10, or a equals to a minus 10. So see, now see the change, right? So it would be 20. So here it is getting updated, but after that it is like, see, a equals to a plus 10. So we earlier had 20 in a, and then it is getting updated as 30, and then 30 minus 10 is 20. So here we are getting 20 as the output, right? Also, we need not initialize a as integer or float or any other data type. So for checking the type of a, what we can do is we can use this type function and check the type of a. So type of a is float, oh, int, and if we just print it, because I also want to check the type of b, right? Yeah, so it is showing me class int, and for type B it is showing me float because it is a floating type number, right? So we can use this type function for checking the data type of any variable. These small tricks will be very handy when you will be working with very large data sets. So that is why you need to focus on basics much. You need to concentrate on basics, right? See. So now the next thing is the all the variables, or all the operators. So let's put the heading as operators and see that. So first operator is a plus 10, right? Also we'll be showing the output, right? Then we'll be having a minus 10. So these were the two operators which we have seen earlier also. And now the third one is multiplication. So we'll be multiplying a with b, right? And we'll be getting the answer 246. So a plus 10, because a is initialized over here 20. So okay, let me run all of this again, and you guys will get more clarity, right? Okay, yeah. So see the values over here. So this is 20, this is 0, this is 12, 123, and so on. And now what we will be doing is we will be seeing other few operators. So print a and double star. So double star, what it does is it squares. So it is used for power. And double star is used for power. If I write cube, so we can also do cube, and it will do cube, right? So it is used for power. Let's keep it square only, and then again the print function, and this time what we'll be doing is a divided by b. So let's see this. So we are getting something like 0.8130. So it will be showing me whole approximate whole decimal values till up till which it divides. And then if we need to get the floor value, we can use this double slash, and it will give me 0 0.0, right? So these are all the operators, and here this is the type function which you can use for data type. um, so that's all for this video. Thank you, and have a good day, and please follow me on Innovative Coder, the YouTube channel, and we'll be coming up with more good stuff. Okay, so thanks.